Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Derek, and I'm standing here with my custom Nissan hardbody lowrider build. But this video is not about that. We're hanging out with Travis right now and his girl Ariana, and we are going to be going to look at a Toyota Supra Mark III. I don't know why I said it so funny, but I had to show you this hard little lineup. Let's go. But we riding in the punch buggy, the lady buggy. Still haven't figured it out. And it's gonna be a fun trip.
Homie, bro, yeah, we are cruising. Yo, what up, what up? We're cruising.
Checking out a car.
So this is a Mark III Toyota Supra with a 7M GE.
I got a pretty baller light right here. We need it.
So let's check this thing out. So right now, you've had it since February?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
And you bought it off your friend and like drove it here?
No, like he drove, brought down on trailer. So.
And you knew it was just slipping like crazy, like it needed a clutch pad.
Like a gantry to move on, unless it's at a red line basically. So we went to have a brand new clutch for it.
Sick.
And strong, so.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. I like the two-tone,
yeah.
Red and the silver. The thing that was just like the final straw for you was the stripped bell housing bolt. You said that's probably up at the top.
Yeah, essentially.
Have you heard the engine crank over in the time you've owned it or anything like that? Okay, cool.
So when it does run, sounds good. So.
Damn, that's not cold there.
Yep.
Oh, that's cool. What year was it again? Sorry, I don't know if I had asked you that. My bad. 87. And it's got some high mileage, right? It's like 225 or something like that.
These all the Japanese cars. These majority of the time are all plastic, so you actually have a check right here.
But yeah, we got some work out of us. And you said you have everything exhaust and your drive shaft. And,
yeah.
Oh, it's all right here.
Exhaust,
Beautiful.
Drive shaft is right.
Yeah, brand new clutch in there. Sick.
So.
Yeah, just looking it over right now, my boys. We just figured I'd bring you along for the realistic experience. Some maroon interior. They're really looking it over. I'm just flying, honestly. Pretty cool though. It's got the flip-up headlights, and we're just testing the function of the sunroof, just because worried about it leaking. You know, it's gonna be sitting outside and stuff, and be interesting to see what's going on with that. Man. Yeah, pretty cool. We took out, there's some wood flooring back here. We took that out. Just checking it out right now. Not moving.
Only moving a little bit. Not moving how you might want it to move.
Oh, nice. So that's all. It's just, pop-up headlights. No, I ain't the one buying it. It's its own car now.
This vehicle in Japan is considered like a luxury vehicle. That's why you have all the nice amenities and the big engine.
Yeah, gauge cluster is huge.
Turbo model. And then after, the Supra became the MK4 when it was like a super duper
Back
sports
seats
car.
too.
This was like the middle of the road. Super luxury, super sporty. Yeah. And then they got rid of all that. So this is like the last of it.
So, we left. We don't have the car. Travis threw a real low ball. But he accepted the second low ball. We going back! We got it! Alright, well, we don't have it yet.
We're getting
We are in the lady buggy, so we showed up real hard. We hopped out. We got the eyelashes and the ladybug spots, and we're going back.
Got out the back seat,
and we're going back.
Hop in the back if you don't take it.
All right, guys, you guys see this. This is just sitting outside this man's house, and it's like a Jaguar, I believe. Actually, yes, I love that the hood pops backwards, and it is straight a hood dumped. That must be so what? That must be so rowdy loud. That's insane.
That's crazy.
That's insane. Look at this thing. I thought it was gonna be like a supercharged model at first when I first saw it. XJ6. There we go. Wow, that is really badass, actually.
Yeah.
Never seen someone paint their distributor cap, and I low-key love it.
Yeah.
That's cool. There was an extra set of wheels with the Supra. A little rough, but just getting ideas, you know. Not my wheels, but still cool.
Go all the way to the road. Let's just get this up there. Watch it, Jack. We get it? No, you're get it right in the road so we can have Peter just roll up to it. We'll probably put it where the Mercedes is. I'll move my car. Wherever you're off the road. Cool. First time moving.
Break it.
Yeah, we're looking at this old engine blow. Look at that, man. I think it's cooked. That's depressing. This is like just girly things, but it's like just soupy things.
Oh, dude, look.
Oh man,
Oh my god.
Oh, that is look at that,
That's
dude.
a piston.
All right, guys, the cavalry is here. Hit up my boy Peter at 3 Window Merc on Instagram if you're in Maine and you need any towing done, because this guy is always here for us, like a super G. We're gonna get this thing to the storage containers. There she goes, in the box. All right. Slow. Watch your foot. All right. Send it back. You're good. You don't even need me anymore. Oh, all right. Yeah, no, he's on that. There we go. All right, I'm gonna watch out. Here, let's get the first roller. The first Supra roller. Hey, yo. Yeah, Travis's storage units, they locked him out of here. We were thinking about taking the grass, but we'll be good Samaritans and park it here until the morning. But that is, what an L. Look how beautiful this thing is. All right, guys, we're hooking up a battery right now. Right meow. We got the wheels in here.
Okay. Put the headlights down too.
Woo! You know, you good. Thought your seat was moving. Getting the windows up.
That's that. How do I put the headlights up?
All right. Hey, there we go.
Hey, that's sick.
All right, check this beauty out. This is gonna be such a sick car.
First thing I want to do is clean it.
Yep. What's up, guys? 6 o'clock in the morning. Here with T. We got a little turbo D series Civic. We got the convertible Minitruck and Ariana's new Toyota Mark III Supra. A little bit of voice crack there, sounding like. But yeah. So we beat the clock. Hopefully these gates actually open this morning. That would be very awesome if not. Yeah, we're gonna roll this over to a storage unit. Start having fun with it. So. Well, today's video is just getting it, I guess, but yeah, not bad stuff. All right, you can stop. Boys, check this out. We forgot that, the brakes are not working. We forgot to put the exhaust with the car last night, so it's just sat here overnight. That's absolutely hilarious. We're gonna want that. All right, I gotta push this thing all around this giant building. Coming in. Let's go. Just gotta lift this thing up and push it to the side. It should be in here. No, that's okay. Space it won't be awesome that it's this tight, but won't be awesome that it's this tight. But when the car's up on the ground, we'll have a little more space. Yeah, we got a little extra space on this side, so that's all right. Yeah, here, drop it down, boys. The suspension travel on this thing is insane.
So drop it.
Yeah.
We get on the jack underneath. Come out from the wheel. Going.
Yep. Sinking. Nice. Well, now she is in here. Some fun stuff. All right, hit me with that one more time. Let's see it.
A bunch of big old spider stuff. Gotta get rid of them somehow, dude.
All right, so this is gonna be the last clip for this vid, but I don't know if you want to walk around with me real fast around the car, but I wanted to talk about just anything that we noticed right this second that's gonna be like that's wrong with this car that just needs to be replaced. I mean, right down here we can see there was some sort of damage to the front bumper. Actually, this fog light is intact. That one is too. It's just a trim. I don't even know how that happens.
It's the
It's
plastic
so
trim around the
mangled.
fog light. It's a whole piece that you sew. It's so weird, dude.
So this is probably the worst of the paint right here. It's not a big deal. Definitely, it just seems like someone didn't prep it properly, but I love the two-tone down it. We got the air intake, just needs to get screwed up on there. There's a coolant hose that goes to the heater core that's not plugged in. We got to burp the coolant. Well, actually, put coolant in it and then burp the coolant. Is there anything I'm missing up here? We were having a latch problem. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Fresh battery. That was going to be on the list. The brake fluid reservoir is going empty. It sounded horrible last night. There's really no brakes on the car right now. What else we got? We got all these wheels and stuff we're going to pull out. The sunroof is pushed in. A couple of small things with the interior. You know, it's not perfect. It's a almost 40-year-old car. That's cool. It's got a door light when you open the door. That's pretty neat for, you know, an 87. But that's not too much of a worry. Some gaskets and stuff we got to look into. And then you come over here. Someone gooped the antenna off. That's pretty interesting. We got to get the new clutch in, though. Currently, the first thing that we got to do, which will be in the next video for you guys, is the transmission. One of the bell housing bolts is stripped. And so that was like one of the main reasons the guy was just fed up with the car and sold it. So it's got a new windshield, though. Well, I mean, you know, there's little exterior things like the handle being busted and stuff. But it's cool to come back to these videos in the future and, show you guys what we were working with. This could get a nice cool delete plate, I'm sure. We got to clean it up. I mean, there's like half tint left. We're going to put the exhaust on, the drive shaft on. And honestly, it shouldn't be too bad. Let's just clip of the headlights. Let's get it.
Trying to see if
That was cool.
So cool. I'm so excited for just that.
Well, this is so that's a good little walk around. Just trying to show you guys, I mean, what we noticed that's wrong with it right off the back. I'm sure there's going to be some other hiccups and things like that, but, just cool to see the car in this state because this is the first vid, and it's definitely going to be some build series on this car. Travis and Ariana are going to work on it every so often, even if I'm not here, so I can just give you guys updates and things like that. Well, all right, everybody, I'd like to thank you so much for checking out today's video of us picking up this Mark III Supra. If you guys want to see some more content on the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. There'll be a little bit of a build series going up on the channel about this car, so excited for y'all to hang out and follow along. Thanks for watching. Peace out.